Sagan segir að jörðin sé byggð á stoðum fyrri kynslóða. Þræðir glataðrar siðmenningar rís aftur upp á yfirborðið og tengir okkur.
My name is Luke Jackson Clark and welcome to Mazda Discovers. Over the next 3 days, I'll be taking the Mazda 3 across a wintry Iceland to meet a lady who is single-handedly keeping an ancient Icelandic craft alive.
That's why I teach, to keep it alive.
We'll be taking a first-hand look into what it means to carry history forward one thread at a time.
I just hope to share the knowledge to the future generations. Because who are we if we don't remember our past? My name is Asthildur Magnusdaughtir and I'm a weaver. I started with weaving a plastic bag on a farm when I was 12 years old. My family has always been using their hands. My aunt, she was sewing and my mother knitting. It all started with a sheep. The Icelandic sheep comes in different colors. Black, white, brown, grey and everything between. I sourced the wool from a local farmer and even he sometimes give it to me because he doesn't get so much for it anyway. The wool on the sheep has 2 layers. The outer layer is long and rough and shiny, but the under layer is more soft and has a lot of warmth. Once I've got the wool, I come back to my studio and I choose a color. I separate the wool, then I get this outer coat and the under layer. Then I brush the wool, which is called carding. And then it's ready to spin. I use the yarn and bring it to my loom to make the cloth I'm going to do. Like this one, this is Rökkvarfeldur, and you can see it has 2 sides. One imitates fur, and the other one, you see the pattern I use, which is sometimes different, and sometimes I have different colors, plant dyed, and so on. Well, I'm from Iceland. Inspiration is everywhere. I see it in the grass on the roofs. I see it in the cracks on the ice. And I see it in the rivers. Just like my craft, it all comes from nature. The process of handmade garments are special because it lasts. And I hope it lasts, just like all well-crafted things do. Like the Mazda. We use our hands to add the special touch, which creates the magic ingredient that creates the design that lasts a lifetime.
And so much more. My time with Asthildur over the last few days has given me a new perspective on sourcing things that are created with love and effort. These are things I want to come through in everything I put out to the world and has only strengthened my resolve in my passions. To create so the future generations can remember the present.
Because who are we if we don't remember our past?